Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy General315 back again, another sneaker review video for y'all. And today we have the Jordan 13 He Got Game joints on deck. Alright, we got this one on deck for a review. Got this one from my boy Joe, and this one is a dope shoe. This one's a very dope shoe. It's a classic. Everybody remembers the old commercials where Jordan was wearing these, and when he wore these in the playoffs, he made some historical moments in these joints, and I'm glad to have these in the collection. Before I get started breaking down this review, just remember that this is a UA shoe, it's not the retail, but if you do want the retail, you can go ahead and go on StockX and GOAT. I will put the prices on the screen. I think they're going for between $400 and $600 right now, depending on where you go and what size you wear. But you know, it's not too bad if you're a collector and you want to spend that much, but that's all on you, you know what I'm saying? But this is why I do these videos, just to kind of show you guys that there's other options out there, and you can find your shoes in a plethora of different places. My videos are for educational purposes only. I'm just showing you guys what I have and what I got. If you guys want more details on where to get shoes and all that other stuff, follow me over on that Instagram. I got my information below on the bottom of the screen. Follow me on TikTok. I got some videos up there. I haven't been posting up there a lot recently. I've been trying to get my Discord popping, so if you guys want to go over ahead and follow me on the Discord, I will put the link in the description. The link is in the description of all of my videos for the Discord. Make sure you guys go ahead and join over there. We got some good conversations going, where to cop, all those good things. We actually try to help people find places to cop shoes, and we just trying to grow the community. Alright, so go ahead and follow me over there as well. Alright, so let's jump into this one. This is a shoe that eluded me for a long time. I wasn't able to actually get this shoe for a long while, but finally, you know, I got a chance to get a pair. So here's the shoe, Jordan 13. Everybody knows this iconic silhouette. We got the white on the upper up here. We got some black suede. We got some nice tumbled leather on that toe box. That looks pretty good. And then we got the white pods with the iconic red outsole, and that looks pretty good. I can at least say that on this particular shoe, the suede really stood out to me. I thought that suede was very nice. Now, it's not a lot of transition on it, but it's enough. I will tell you that this suede will eventually get ashy, just like the old pair that, you know, the original pair that came out. This suede will get a little ashy. It will pick up a lot, as you can see right here. It does have some speckles on there that you guys can see, but you know, overall the shoe is really great. The leather is good. It's a really soft leather, but I think it's a sturdy leather, if that makes sense. I don't know if that makes sense to you guys, but anyway, looks very good. Toe box shape was good. The only thing about Jordan 13s is that when they crease really hard. They crease really hard, and you will get really bad creasing in this area depending on the way you walk. So you can try and kind of counter that with stuffing the shoe when you put the shoe away, and just kind of prevent yourself from really doing hard pressed walking. Because when this goes, like I always say, the Jordan 13s, they look the greatest when they're not worn. You know what I mean? It's not a shoe that creases well, not like a Jordan 1. Jordan 1s, they give this shoe character when they have creases in it, but Jordan 13s just look god awful when they're creased. But I think that this tumbled leather up here will definitely hide a lot of that creasing. I was worried that maybe the tumbledness on the toe was a little too much, but after seeing some retail images, like images on StockX and GOAT, I realized that that's the way it's supposed to look right there. The upper, like I said, very nice leather on there. It looks really good. Like that eye, sometimes they get this hologram wrong, but this one has been done well, so you guys can see that there. Got our nice little hologram in there. The heel of the shoe looks really good. It looks to be lined up very well. You guys close up there, see there's that. So we got some suede going up the tongue, and then we have that finished off with the leather on the top of the tongue. We got that nice Jumpman right there. That looks good. It's sewed well. No extra sets of laces with these. When they came out, there was no extra sets of laces, but we do have our black laces. And then behind the tongue of the shoe, we have our sizing tag right there, and we have a standard shoe tree with these joints as well, so not too bad at all. And you guys can't see in there, but there's a Jumpman in there with the red Jumpman. So very nice shoe, very sleek shoe. I do like it. It is a classic. This is an OG colorway, so it was done very well. If I had to rate the shoe on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna give this one a solid 9. I think there's other colorways out there that are much better than this. This is like just a simple black and white colorway, but this is an iconic colorway. Everybody knows this shoe and it holds a lot of history. So definitely a 9 with this one. Construction and materials used, I'll definitely give it another 9. I think it was very good. There was no flaws. So this one gets an A+ in my book. Like I said, if you guys want to learn more information about where the cops, all that stuff, follow me on the Discord. The Discord link is in the description. Go to the description, touch that Discord link, click on that, and make sure you guys join the Discord, all right? Let's jump into that on foot. You guys stay humble, you guys stay blessed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Here we go again. I'm back out on the trail, but this time it looks a little different than the last time. Y'all don't be understanding what I'll be going through for y'all with these on foots. Should have just stayed in the crib, but it's cool though. Yo, I had to wait until it warmed up though, because it was like literally 3 degrees earlier. My cousin kept me laced though. She got me a little scarf, keep myself a little warm, got me a little matching hat. My other sister got me a sweater, pretty fire. The family be taking care of me, you know what I mean? They keep me laced up. I'm just trying to find a spot real quick where we can actually get a nice little on foot. And I'm actually just trying to feel the shoe. I'm trying to feel the shoe and how it feels on my foot when I'm walking. It actually feels pretty good. Right now I got the Jordan 13s on and I can feel the airbag in the heel. It's actually quite comfortable. It's got a lot of cushion. It's very soft. It's a good shoe. It looks like we might be able to pull off an on foot up here. There's still a lot of light out, so I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna do because it's just a lot of snow. What's good? Yo, video is done. It's mad cold out here, so I'm gonna try and make this quick. Make sure you guys follow the Discord. Go in the description right there. It's down below. Paying attention? Hey, y'all paying attention? Hey, Discord down in the bottom. I got these in there. We're the cop. All of that. These are dope. Very comfortable. I'm glad I was able to get these and bring these to y'all. Show y'all the details. Very, very classic shoe. I'm telling y'all, we got the Discord designed to help everybody. It's a whole community, and we're gonna stay to it. Y'all stay up. We on to the next video. Deuce.